This episode talks about business value and stakeholders as it relates to the measurement performance domain. Business value measurement are used to ensure the project deliverable stays aligned to the business case and the benefits realization plans. Business value can be both financial and non-financial. Here are some metrics to calculate financial business value. The cost-benefit ratio measures the expected present value of an investment with the initial cost. The cost-benefit ratio is used to determine if the cost of the project outweighs its benefits. For the most part, if the costs are greater than the benefits, the result will be greater than 1, and the project should not be considered unless there are good reasons to do the project, such as it's for social good or regulatory compliance. There is another similar measurement called the benefit-cost ratio. It uses the same measures, but the benefits are in the numerator and the costs are in the denominator. If the ratio is greater than 1, then you should do the project. Organizations may identify value as the benefit that will be delivered as a result of doing the project. This is called the planned benefits delivery compared to actual benefits delivery. Comparing information from the business case to the benefits that are expected to be delivered, you can justify the continuation of the project or, in some cases, cancel the project. A term that you may be familiar with is ROI, or return on investment. This measures the amount of financial return compared to the cost. ROI is generally developed as an input to the decision to undertake a project. However, there may be estimates of ROI at different points during the project lifecycle. By measuring ROI throughout the project team can determine if it makes sense to continue the investment of organizational resources. And there is the net present value, or NPV. It's the difference between the present value of inflow of capital and the present value of outflow of capital over a period of time. Net present value is generally developed when deciding to undertake a project. When you measure the NPV throughout the project team can determine if it makes sense to continue the investment of organizational resources. Let's jump into stakeholder satisfaction. As it's part of the business value, stakeholder satisfaction is important. Stakeholder satisfaction can be measured with surveys, or by inferring satisfaction, or looking at related metrics such as the Net Promoter Score, which measures the degree to which a stakeholder, which is usually the customer, is willing to recommend a product or service to others. A high Net Promoter Score, which is the range, is from -100 to +100, measures the satisfaction with a brand, product, or services. It is also an indicator of customer loyalty. There is also a mood chart. This can track the mood or reactions of a group of very important stakeholders. The project team. How it works is that at the end of each day, project team members can use colors, numbers, or emojis to indicate their frame of mind. Using this, tracking the project team's mood or individual project team members' moods can help to identify potential issues and areas for improvement. Mood boards can be subjective, so another option is to measure project team morale. This can be done by surveys, asking project team members to rate their agreement on a scale. Another way that can detect morale is simple turnover rates. If there is a mass exodus from the project team, that should hopefully tell the executive team that the morale is low. That is it for this week. We have new PMP videos every Thursday. Make sure to subscribe so you can pass that exam.